Welcome to our channel Vastu Energy and Lines. Today we are going to discuss on a very important aspect of our lives, Griha Pravesh. Griha Pravesh plays a very important part, and here we have Mr. Ganguly to discuss about the importance of Griha Pravesh. So Mr. Ganguly, can you please help us enlighten about this topic?
See, Griha Pravesh is a very important event in the Vastu. Griha means house, home, and Pravesh means entry. This event is performed when you enter the house for the first time. Now, there is a very important event. When you enter the house for the first time, why should you perform this at all? So, it signifies the first entry to your house, be it an independent house or a flat. It can be a new house which you have purchased or maybe a rented one. If it is your own independent house constructed as per your choice and design, then obviously before construction you need to do a Bhumi Puja. Here actually what you are doing is you are doing a Vastu Puja. Now, Vastu Puja has to be done in the center, which is the Brahmastan of the plot. It is easy to perform because the plot is absolutely vacant, there are no obstacles, and the 81 padas or the houses. The Vastu Deva is in the center and all the 81 gods and goddesses are on it. I will not go into the minute details of this because I am sure the viewers may not understand all that intricacies. But to make it very simple, it is the Bhumi Puja that what exactly you are performing. There is a difference between a Bhumi Puja and what you call is for a constructed house, a Vastu Puja. The Bhumi Puja relates to the Bhumi, the mother earth, whereas the Griha Pravesh relates to the constructed house. The Bhumi Puja has to be done on Brahmastan, as I already mentioned. Since the plot is open and it has got no obstacles, it is easy to perform. But when you do the Bhumi Puja on an open land, before that there is an element called testing of the land. The land has to be tested for its purity. There are certain methods which an Vastu expert does. After that the Bhumi Puja is done. Coming to Griha Pravesh, the Vastu Puja is to be performed before you have settled down in the house. You cannot organize a Vastu Puja or a Griha Pravesh after you have settled down in the house, because that does not serve the purpose at all. It defeats actually the objective of Griha Pravesh. The entire house needs to be thoroughly cleaned and Ganga Jal has to be sprinkled all over, but not in the washrooms, etc. The entire house, after having cleaned and the Ganga Jal having put there, the Vastu Puja place has to be chosen in the center, which is the Brahmastan of the house. Now, once you have organized your puja and the Brahmastan, idol or whether it is a photograph, the god has to be put to the eastern side of the Brahmastan, where you face the east, God faces you, which means God is facing west and you are facing east. I hope this is very clear. All the direct members of the family, they are to be seated facing east. Those who have taken Diksha mantra, those who are initiated, they will have to chant their japa mantra slowly in their mind, because this is a very auspicious time and auspicious occasion. Apart from all this, it should be understood during the construction, lot of people had entered the house, and those people who had entered the house, they carry their own aura, whether good aura or bad aura. Now, once the house is constructed, the puja that you are going to do, the Griha Pravesh Puja, that will purify all that bad energy or negative energy, that eliminates. you have to also remember that you should not transport and you should not come with your bag and baggage before doing this Griha Pravesh Puja. Griha Pravesh Puja can be done for even a rented house or your own house or a house where you want to live for some time. This is a very important aspect without which it becomes very difficult. That is why in case you have purchased second hand house, it is all the more important to organize a Griha Pravesh Puja, because you do not know whether you have purchased a second hand house or you want to take a house on rent. You do not know the past history of that house, the inmates who were there, whether they were in sound mind or not, whether they had some serious disease or whether there was some unnatural death, a suicide case and all that thing. If those things are there, naturally the house will have negative energy, and if the Griha Pravesh is not performed, this puja is not performed, the negative energy plays on the people who will be entering the house and living there, and it creates a lot of problems. The suffering will be not only mental, but in the digestion problem, there will be a lot of other problems, financial problem, misunderstanding, interpersonal relationships, all those things will keep going on. Many people may not be aware that there are three types of Griha Pravesh. The first one is the first entry to the house, and when you have entered the house, all that thing that you are supposed to do, I have already explained. The detailed puja, Griha Pravesh puja is to be done. The second part of the Griha Pravesh is when all the members of the house have gone out on a long vacation and the house was kept empty. So, when they have come back, you have to do another Griha Pravesh. That Griha Pravesh need not be an elaborate one as you had performed in the first stage, but you can have you can organize a havan or a yagga, whatever that is told, but that has to be performed. The third part is, suppose half of the family or a part of the family has gone out for a long vacation and they have returned. See what happens when you go out of the house and stay for a long time outside, when you return with some aura energy which is polluted with you, with your aura energy. So, to purify that, you need to do another puja. It need not be again an elaborate one as you had performed the first one, but you have to have a havan or a puja of that sort. So, the three types of puja that I have mentioned is very important. The sacrificial fire which you actually do in the form of havan, the smoke, the fire purifies the entire house. It must be understood that these simple Vastu procedures relating to Griha Pravesh were observed in our country long time back, right from the Vedic times. But with the passage of time, either people do not attach importance to it, or people do not understand, or people take it very lightly and perform things as per their convenience. It cannot be like that. It is a very important event. It is not a merry making party. Entering the house for the first time is not a party or a get together. Those things can be organized later on. So, viewers, Griha Pravesh is a very serious and important event. It has to be performed with utmost seriousness, and with the Griha Pravesh, when you do this Griha Pravesh, when you perform the puja, you also have to engage a Pandit who knows how to do a Griha Pravesh puja. It is a separate puja. You are invoking and paying obeisance to the Vastu Deva. So, that is the important attached to Griha Pravesh.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ganguly, for enlightening us about the topic Griha Pravesh and its importance and Vastu associated with it. Please stay subscribed with us, and our next topic of discussion would be reception area. Thank you.